Russell, it's raining. We need the rain.
All right, it sounds awesome. I just want to snuggle up and watch a movie. You want to Netflix and chill with me?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's just quit everything we're doing today. We're going to Netflix and chill.
Hey, you know, I didn't know what that meant. So we're not going to Netflix and chill.
I remember what you said.
Yeah.
Russell
I
had
don't even
no
want to
clue.
repeat it because I didn't even know what it meant.
Russell had no clue what it meant, and I don't even want to say what he said.
This is the problem with ever-growing pop culture.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So you had no clue. Okay,
I mean, listen, if I put on Netflix and sit down on the couch and chilling, you know, like chilling took on a whole new term in 2022.
We're not even gonna say what he said.
No, we're not. It's so not appropriate.
It is appropriate.
If you say it to the wrong people, it's not appropriate.
Yeah. But
Just like you said it to me, or I said it to you.
You did. But I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
We've been in here, we've created like some TikToks up in the room with Wes this morning. Just kind of getting some things done, going over videos in the morning. Today we're gonna get some work done. Installing this flip kit, Russell's installing these vent windows and all the new weather stripping. Well, we're gonna get this thing done today. We'll put my head down and I'm gonna knock this out. We're gonna knock this out. Let's do it.
Go team.
So I'm installing these U-bolts and this hanger and everything, putting this back on there, but I am out of socket. There's too much thread, so I can't put that. So now I've got to finish it off manually with this. I need a socket that's like double the length so I can finish. I still couldn't probably fit it underneath there. I just need a lift. That's what we need, a lift. So I'm gonna get to installing this now. Quit bitching, get to work.
I got an interesting little hack. This little dowel rod, this little roll pin, I called it a dowel rod, it's a roll pin. It goes in that little hole on the bottom side of this, right there. And it's almost impossible to hold by yourself. So I take my tool and stick it in the other side here to hold all that in place. And then I got 2 free hands to tap this in the hole. And it should have a side that's a little more rounded than the other one. Or maybe I'm just tripping, but it feels that way with my hand. And then I can just knock it in and it'll knock that tool out behind it as it goes. And beautiful. And then push our button, roll it up, pull it in, roll it down, boom, rebuild vent window. Now, I'm gonna let y'all watch me struggle trying to get this sucker back in the door. It's just soapy water. Phew, struggle my butt. This is different from the ones we've gotten before. I'm not sure what this brand was. But the ones we got before had a little ear, like an L-shaped bracket on it that had to go on top in between. You had to sandwich it in between the vent window mounting bracket on top of the door here and the door itself, and it slid in there. And that sucker was a pain. But this one has a little hook, and there's a left and a right one, so it can clip over the top edge of that vent window itself. This is the first time I've seen this one. So I got the driver's door built on Crusty, and I had an issue that gave me an idea, and I'm going to try that idea here. The issue is, once you get this vent window in, this weather stripping is a pain in the butt to reach down inside that door and get in that track on that vent window. So I'm going to try to put it in just the vent window track first. I can install it here on the table and then slide the vent window in the door with all of this slack just kind of swinging around like it don't have no party to go to. We're gonna try that and see how it works. I had the idea, if it helps, it'll make a huge difference in time for getting that piece in there. So we're gonna see what happens. It already feels easier. Yep, feel like this is easier. The fight might be trying to put it in with all this stuff, but I don't know. I'm gonna talk to him about this vent window I was supposed to be bringing him along on. So I did the new thing. I went ahead and put my weather strip in the vent window before put the vent window in the truck. And I forgot to show you the installation, but it's sitting in its home. Now I just need to make it fit, but it was not hard to get it in there. So we're gonna spray a little soap on it, slide it up there, see how well the weather strip lines up. That's the ticket for sure.